My name is Lucas Liberatore, and I studied in jazz guitar and the audio recording program. The reason why I went to Vanier College for this type of program was because it's recognized by the government. I came to Vanier and studied jazz guitar. I basically wanted to become a music teacher, and then it all changed from working in studios and just doing a lot of my own recordings, and I said no, I developed a passion for it, and I said I need to go into audio recording. So I stopped in the music program, went into audio recording, finished it, came back into the music program and finished it. Then I just started producing music, just beat making at home, and then grew a clientele online, and I'm still producing to this day, and that's all I do for a living. Go to Vanier, you'll have something certified. The process of learning was very easy. They have all the equipment, everything you need, and just all the help you can get. I love Vanier College.